Hello guys, today we'll be seeing a topic called as how to make your what is custom animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's get started. Click on, let's insert a clip art picture and click on go and not selected media type files, all media type files. And here we have ton of pictures. Let's click on this one. Yes, let's make it enlarged. And next after that, let's select the design. Let's take this one. And after that, click on custom animation. And let's take this clipboard out. And click on this one. And click on add effect. And you will click on grow and turn. And after that, exit. You click on fly out. Let's see in a slideshow from beginning. Yes. And on mouse click we have sent it. Click on mouse. I clicked it, and here's a picture arriving. And after that it goes. And after that, then if you don't want to click it, so you could select as with previous and start after previous. And let's check it out. So just one click and it would go both. If you don't want to click that one also, you could again click on non-click after previous with yes after previous. Let's check out. I didn't click anything. You could try it if you want. You could try it. It's 100% sure. And what is this more emphasis? And let's check out. Yes, this is the same as entrance. And what's motion path? Let's do it from diagonal upright. Yes, it goes from here to there. Okay, or you could make it as anywhere. Let's do it here. It cannot come. And let's make it here and select. See it. Look, it just moves down, up and down. Yeah, I didn't click anything, promise. So that's what is custom animation. You could add for text also. Let's type it as hi here and add effect. And if let's do it. I will now to set it as on click. So here, hi. That's all guys for today's video. Bye guys.